How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics, and today we are going to have a quick look at the Samsung Jet 85 Complete, and Razul from Samsung is going to do that and tell us all about it.
I will indeed. Some really unique features with this particular model. So the first thing I always like talking about is lightweight. So it's literally just under 2.7 kilograms. So really light, really flexible as well, and really good suction power. So it has up to 210 watts of suction power. Depending on what mode you have on as well. And the battery lasts up to 1 hour as well.
Okay.
So extremely good battery.
So I have a question for you, because it comes up all the time.
Yeah.
So on full power, what am I going to get out of it?
So depending on the accessory, because they all adjust in power according to the accessory, can be up to between 6 and 8 minutes.
Okay.
And then on medium mode will be about half an hour to 35, and then again goes up higher.
And I think most people, medium mode's fine anyway.
Medium mode, because of the power suction and how well the actual accessory tools work, there's no need to go any higher than that, to be honest with you.
Perfect. So tell us what else.
So yeah, so you get a number of accessories as well with this particular model. So the first accessory I always like talking about is your slim LED brush. All of our accessories are removable, so they're easy to clean and easy to maintain.
Yeah.
So this will ideally be for hard floors. You also get the LED light as well, to see how dirty your house actually is.
And it's really soft.
Really soft again, so you have the soft cushion in there. And again, likewise with our ovens, remember all the bits of silver?
I was about to say, I can see the speckles.
Antibacterial as well, so no bacteria can build up, but you can actually hand wash this and take it out as well.
That's excellent.
Really efficient.
The small little one as well.
And then we have good old Pet Tool Plus. So this is what I use for my car quite often, but ideally you could use it for your couches, especially if you have any dogs or cats in the house as well. So it has, so it has little grinders inside as well, so it actually cuts up all the pet hairs while you're actually hoovering as well. So really useful. And then we also have a standard, you've got your crevice tool, your extendable brush as well, and you've also got a flex tool. So the flex tool, if you want to get in between blinds or behind a TV or anything like that, you can use that as well. So you have all those accessories come with this particular model, all easy to clean, all easy to maintain. And then as well as that, you have the actual bin itself. So if you want to clean it, if I just release here. So first of all, you have your main filter, hand washable, let it sink, make sure it's air dry, put it back in. Then if I just turn this around here, you see all these little holes here. So this is what we call our jet cyclones. So we've 3 air inlets in every single one of these. So we've 27 air inlets, and that's maximizing all the particles and all the dirt that actually gets sucked into the bin. So nothing's escaping. So if you have any kind of allergies or anything like that, it's really efficient as well. And then for the bin itself, what's even more efficient is the fact you just literally open it,
and pour it,
hand wash it if need be, and it's good to go again. So easy to clean, easy to maintain.
And obviously make sure it's dry before you
make sure it's completely dry. And then it literally just slots straight back in, and it's good to go as well.
That's pretty cool. And then in terms of warranty on the machines?
So we have 3 different warranties. So the first warranty is about the battery. So you get 2-year warranty with the battery. You get 5-year warranty on parts. And then you also get the 10-year warranty on the actual digital Verta motor itself. So 3 really good.
So overall, cool little product, nice and light, powerful, good run time, good warranty. And it is available at your local Euronics store.
It is indeed.
Razul, as always, thanks very much.
Thank you, Robert.